Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and in today's video I'm going to be doing a cheeky little day in the life. Now, as you all know, I came back from Spain less than 2 weeks ago, so I am currently in quarantine on my own. Not a fan. By the time you actually watch this, I should actually be out of quarantine. And honestly, it's not even been that bad. I've been mainly just focusing on myself. I've binged a load of Orphan Black. If you've watched Orphan Black, by the way, comment down below. It is the best TV series ever and not raved about enough. Now, just before we get into this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the little family we've got going on here. I want to start this vlog off with like a little unboxing. So as some of you may remember, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should by the way, my handle is at ella.houghton. I have been talking a lot about my university room transformation, and obviously earlier in July I did actually go up and paint my wall, which I was talking about for ages. It was this really horrible dark purple colour. It is now this really lovely light grey. And I was also on the lookout for some prints to hang on my fresh grey wall. I'm actually so excited to announce that I am collaborating with Desenio. Desenio is this amazing brand that basically sell the best prints ever. They do such a wide range of different prints. They literally do anything and everything you could ever imagine, whatever style you're into, whether it's typography, you know, watercolour, art, illustration, whatever it is, they do it, and they do a whole different range of frames as well that you can choose from. And the best part is it's not even expensive, and I just really wanted to show you what they ever so kindly gifted to me. I am absolutely so blessed to be working with them, and yeah, I'm just so excited to show you what I actually got. The first thing I got gifted was this piece of art. Now, as you can see, I've gone for copper frames because I have copper accents in my uni room already, and I just thought this would be a really perfect way to tie them all in. I actually went for this like watercolor pink painting of this woman and man, and I really wanted a piece of art that was quite evocative, in the sense that like I wanted something that like a piece of art that I absolutely loved, and I just thought that this was so beautiful, and I thought it would look amazing in the middle of my uni room. Yes, it is a little bit bougie for a uni room, but I also just thought this looks really expensive. This looks like something you would like commission an artist to get, do you know what I mean? The next one I got was this pink print. It's got like a little cloud with some birds on the line. I absolutely love this, and I thought this would tie in perfectly with the pink theme, again with the copper frame, you know how it is. I also got this cute little Chanel bottle. I absolutely love this. I thought this would add like a level of class to my room. I absolutely love Chanel. I absolutely love this illustration, can I just say, again with the pink, tying everything together. I'm also the biggest sucker for typography. If you know me, I love me a quote, but I don't want to go overboard because I also can't bear it when there's too many quotes, you know, there's overkill. So I thought I'd go for this one, and it says, "The bravest thing you can be is yourself." Now, if you know me personally, you know that my biggest motto, the biggest thing, my biggest piece of advice in most situations is that your power is you, and that at the end of the day, you're never there. At the end of the day, there is no one like you in this world, and that is the best thing, the most powerful, and the most beautiful thing you can be as well. So I thought this quote just summed me up perfectly and summed up everything I'm about in such a perfect way, and I'm just so excited to have this in my room. And finally, I got a bit of a more simplistic one. I thought the other ones are very busy, and I definitely wanted something that would tie everything together but isn't too much, if you know what I mean. So I've got this, and I'm so excited to see what they're gonna look like in my room. Now, if you want to get your hands on any of the prints that I've picked, then you can head to the link in the description, and you can also get 25% off with my code, which is ella.houghton. Now, this code is only valid until midnight on the 20th of August, so you gotta be quick and snap up those prints if you want them for your university rooms. This is like the most perfect thing to decorate your uni room, so definitely get in there if you want something unique to jazz up your uni rooms. And also, whilst I'm here, I thought I might as well go through the rest of my blogger mail. So I've also been kindly gifted this perfume from a brand called Spritz and Sprays. Now, these perfumes are really excite me because they're meant to be like dupes of your favorite perfumes, and I'm actually very recently bought my favorite perfume, which is the dupe of this. So my favorite perfume is the Emporio Armani Diamonds perfume. It normally retails at around £70, so it's quite expensive. And this, the dupe, retails for £15. So something that I thought would be quite fun, just to test out if it really is a dupe for my favourite perfume. I thought I would put this on and put this on one wrist, put this on the other, and see if they actually smell the same. First of all, I'm just going to show you my Armani perfume. I've literally been using this perfume for the longest time. My mum actually had it before I did, and I just fell in love with it, and now I can't use any other perfume because I just love this so much. This is the real one. It normally retails at around £70 for 100ml. Very expensive. And this is the Spritz and Sprays alternative. First of all, can we talk about that bottle? I'm absolutely obsessed. Minimalist realness. I love that. And yeah, we're gonna try these out. Oh, that does smell nice. I'm also gonna let it dry down as well, just so it's got a fair test. But can I just say as well, like, they don't just do a dupe of the Armani Diamonds as well. They literally do dupes of so many like popular expensive perfumes. So if there is a perfume that you're always buying and you know you're sick of spending £70 on a bottle, then this could be a really good alternative for you, especially if you're a student, you know. So now they've dried down a bit, I'm gonna see if the dupe actually smells like the real one. Okay, so that's a real one. Love the smell. That's crazy. I'm not even just saying this, you actually would not know the difference. I'm mind blown. They are exactly the same. Imagine I just spent £70 on this when this is £15. Well, I know where I'm getting my perfume now. This is a bargain. So if you want to buy anything from Spritz and Sprays, if you want to see if your favorite perfume is on there, then you can use code ella10 for 10% off your orders. And now I've done this little unboxing, I'm actually gonna get on with the rest of my day because I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing me talk at this point. Okay, so whilst the sun has gone in and it's raining and stuff, I thought I'm gonna try and be productive and actually like do some things, because like I said, I've really just not been productive the past few days. So I thought instead of filming my videos, I'll just get everything ready for tomorrow so that I'm literally ready to go first thing tomorrow as soon as I get ready, and tidy up my house a bit, because as I've said, I'm actually in quarantine completely on my own at the moment. I've only got 2 days left, but I have spent 12 days completely on my own, which has actually been a lot easier than I thought it would be, by the way. I thought I was going to be the worst. I thought I was going to be so lonely and hate my life, but I've actually really surprised myself and I've not found it as hard as I thought I would, which is obviously a really good thing. So yeah, I'm just getting everything ready for tomorrow. I've got my Zaful haul here. I've got like a little to-do list of everything I need to do, but I've got that all laid out. That's just a bra, don't even mind that. I've got my new Nike Air Force here. Oh my god, how pretty are these, by the way? Can I just say, like, oh my god. So these are the Nike Air Force 1 Shadow collection, I think. And just look at the back, look at the writing on the back. I think that is so pretty. They're obviously very similar to the normal Air Force, but they've just got like a few things that are different, and I just really like these. These are my new babies and I never want to wear them out, I've decided. But yeah, I'm going to style those with some outfits tomorrow for some Instagram pictures. This is my little filming setup, by the way. I get asked all the time about like what tripod I use and ring light and stuff. So this tripod is the Polaroid tripod. I bought it for around £30 on Amazon. It's really, really good. This is how tall it is. So it actually is pretty tall. And yeah, you just clip your camera onto there and you can adjust it and move it around, and it's just really secure and sturdy, and it's lasted me years now. So yeah, this is definitely a staple. This is definitely something that is really, really, really good to have. I've also got my ring light. This ring light I bought for around £80 this time last year. It's from the brand called Newer, and it's around £80. I'll try and find links for stuff and link it in the description if you're interested. And then recently I've been taking my Instagram pictures in this mirror here. This mirror is normally in my room, and this is my mum and dad's room. But honestly, this background for Instagram pics is the one. And look, I've got my shoes there. Honestly, this is just me abusing the fact that I have the whole house to myself. I'm never normally in this room, just to be clear. I normally do all of this in my bedroom, but I thought because no one else is here, I'm going to spread out. I've also tidied up the spare room because I've been keeping all like my outfits in here that I want to like style for Instagram pics and stuff. But yeah, I've actually organised it all. So these are all my trousers and these are all my tops, and I need to style all these for Instagram pictures tomorrow. Yeah, it's all sort of organised and very satisfying. So now I just need to do the laundry. I need to do the washing up. It really do be a fun day. Hello everybody. So it is now a bit later on and I fell asleep. I had a nap by accident. This has turned out to be one of like the most disjointed, weirdest vlogs of my life. Oh, it's so warm. So if I look really sweaty and disgusting, then you know why. So one thing that I kind of wanted to address in this vlog, only because I have shared the whole breakup process with all of you from pretty much start to finish. Not that it's done yet by any means. I really want to talk about like how I'm getting on now. I'm 2.5 months into my breakup. Get I get a lot of messages from you guys saying that my openness, you know, with regards to my breakup has really helped you, and I want to continue to be that person for you guys. I know that there's definitely people that I watch on YouTube who are that for me. You know, I'm gonna keep being honest about how I'm getting on, and hopefully it will help some of you guys. So I am now 2.5 months into my breakup. Honestly, it feels like a lot longer than that. It feels like this breakup has gone on for a lot longer than that, but it's actually only been 2.5 months, and I have learned a huge amount in the past 2.5 months, not just about myself, but about my previous relationship, and about my past breakup, and about who I am not in a relationship. I've learned that it's not just okay to be on my own, it's actually incredible to be on my own. And I've also learned that I need to be happy and full on my own before I am with anyone else, because I think that that is the most important thing. You know, if I can make myself happy, if I can live my life on my own, single, completely happy, then, you know, any love that comes into my life from anyone else will just be an extra. It won't be something I rely on, and I think that's the important thing. Obviously I don't share everything on YouTube. I have shared some of the worst moments, but I've not shared everything. And I just want to say that for those of you who are going through a breakup now, it's not been like a linear healing process. It's not like the breakup happened 2 months ago and I've steadily been getting happier and happier and happier. It's really not happened like that. The way a breakup works is you kind of go like really, really sad, I'm okay, I'm really, really happy, oh, I'm really not okay, and then you're there again, and then you're there again, and it's kind of like that all over the place, back and forth, 5 steps forward, 10 steps forward, 2 steps back. It's literally like that for a while. It is still like that to a degree, and it is literally like that for a while. And I just want to say that however you're dealing with it is absolutely fine, and you know, don't let anyone judge you for how you're dealing with your breakup, because breakups are bloody hard. At this point, I am actually feeling really happy and so excited for September to see all my uni friends and to get started with NSTV as head of news, to do digital ambassador stuff again, and continue my YouTube videos, get back to my room. I've still got my room transformation to finish. Yeah, everything is really, really looking up. And I just want to say to anyone who's going through a breakup now, what you're feeling right now won't last forever. You know, every feeling you've ever had has passed, okay? So the feelings you're having right now after your breakup will pass. You will not feel like this forever. And as time goes on, you will think about it less and less and less. And actually a really nice way that I think about it is like comparing the way I feel about this current breakup and my previous breakup. The way I feel 2 years on from my previous breakup, the way I look at that first breakup now is purely with that complete ambivalence. I feel no emotion towards it. If anything, I feel fondness just towards the time I spent with my first boyfriend. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not like I don't get upset. It doesn't evoke any sort of emotion in me. And the fact that I feel about that towards that breakup gives me so much hope for my future for this one, because I know that one day I'll look at this breakup like that, if that makes sense. I know this has been a bit of a weird vlog and that I haven't really done much. I've just sort of sat and chatted to the camera for about 15 to 20 minutes, and if this is really boring then I'm really sorry, but you know, this is actually a realistic day in quarantine. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!